create a copy of candidates. Am I tripping? This is not in the... Thanks for the follow, by the way. Valor plays. I did spell it wrong. What does it mean? Here? This should be a list. Resolution should be a list of lists. Resolution, or with res, should never be, should always be a list, because we return this as a list. So the output of this, assuming it's not in dupe list, gets extended to the sublist. Oh, I see a problem here. Well, if we expend, it should be a nested list though, because you return 1. So assuming we should assume that this is like the target is 0. It returns this one list. But yeah, it would be a list of lists. I'm not tripping. So this would have to be extended. So why is res returning like just a regular list? I don't understand that. It should be returning It should not be returning like it should be returning a nested list, and then I should be able to copy it. So like if I pass it, so yeah, in any case, current permutation, I say cur. Cur is a list. I have no idea. What the fuck? Okay, so it's nested here, but then when we return it, I actually don't know. Bunch of empty lists, which is interesting. Just wondering where it'd be 1, 10. It shouldn't, like, 10 should be empty. Don't know why. Create a copy of candidates. Yeah. CC pop it. So yeah, it should immediately just be going to instead of printing resolution, can I print her? Because it should be like, oh, this is gonna be so many print statements. I honestly could have no idea why it's copying, why it's like a one object list. I don't know why. It should always be returning as a nested list and never as anything else. Why is it not returning as a nested list? So why am I making another copy of sublist.copy? It doesn't make any sense what I'm doing there. It's supposed to be sc.sort. I don't know why. It should be returning like a list of lists. You return terms and extend it. Because the one it gave us, this is so weird. 10, 110, 1210. Yeah, this is wrong. See, this is wrong. Why is 10 getting saved in the... Ten should not be getting saved. Because if we run... Okay, so if we run... the goal is 10, 10, 10, yeah, whatever. So if it's less than 0, which it is, it should just immediately stop. It shouldn't even... Like 1 minus... Okay, 8 minus 10 is less than 0. It's -2. So, this one should be triggered here, and it should just immediately... what if I do if res with empty list, then break? Will that stop it? And if it breaks, then hopefully it should stop going down this path of 10. So we shouldn't even there's no point to adding more, so it should just stop here. It should just immediately, and I don't know what the fuck is going on with the 127. It should be going whatever. No. Yeah, okay. Let's see if I was going correctly. So you don't want to break, maybe just pass. I guess that would break the entire thing. Why is it going all the way down here? And why is cur getting added to like so weirdly? Okay, the first one is gonna be less than 0 no matter what. So whatever, 10. It should then if it keeps going. And it always does. Yes. So and target is less than 0, then we don't want to do it has to be greater than 0 or equal to. Then we'll call it. But otherwise, there's no if it's not, then you don't even want to call it. You just want to stop. I know this won't work. I haven't even run statements. Yeah, it's still. We should start at 0. And then we go to 1. But either way, we start at, okay, it removes 10, sees that 10 is null, so it just, whatever, just continues on to the next iteration, both i's equal to 1. So we recopy CC. CC ends up as candidates again, so the entire list. But now remove values 1. 1 is greater than 0. So it should get the resolution. But for whatever reason, it's returning. That's so frustrating. Why is it returning? Why is it returning not the right list that I want? Yeah, right here. Why is it? Okay, it's doing what I want. It's skipping the 10, so we don't have to go through those other scenarios there, wasting runtime or whatever. 1, 2, 5 nested is the res. And then here, after this loop runs, it would extend it. It should extend it. to return perms. So return perms should still be a nested list. What the fuck? Wow, that's weird. Am I tripping? When you extend, like, okay, if I append it, what happens? This could, I feel like this is gonna break it. For sure it's gonna break it. No. Why does appending it work? That's so, like, that's actually dumb. Why appending it works. 116, 125. Either way, I'm missing 1, 2. This one has all of them, actually. Yeah, this one has all of them. Also, why is it not? Why does appending work and why does returning it not work? Like, I'm so fucking confused. And this should be 161 if I'm not tripping. Because 6 is before 1. I don't know why 116 comes here. It's catching them, but it's not returning them. I don't know, like, what the fuck is going on. Return perms. Yes. Should just end. And if I print not for the while loop. Yeah, still catching them. I don't. Why is it? Oh, oops. Oops, the daisies. Get rid of this print still. It doesn't need to be there. There's no way this. I don't think this works, but fuck though. Like, oh no, it's taking way too long. Fuck. Time limit exceeded on 23rd test case. Are you freaking kidding me, man? Damn. Okay. Fuck, I gotta time optimize this bullshit. If I could optimize the time, I gotta completely change it. The first thing I would imagine. Okay, let's just make sure this works. I feel like 7, 14 instead of 24. 7, 6, 10 is 1, 1, 2. I don't even know if the other ones make it. 7, 5. I think you can make it 7, 5. Yeah, you can go 7, 5 one time. Yeah, it does work. 1, 1, yeah, 6. 1, 2 to make the. Yeah, so it works. It's just the runtime's cooked, I guess. How long does this third test case take to run? Wow. I feel like it should not be taking that long. It's just fuck. It's just all ones. It's all ones and it's never below 0, so we can never like we can never like stop it early. It just keeps going and going and going, which is terrible. It's like the worst case scenario. And even further down, we have another whole list where we have to check if it's a duplicate. How if okay? There's two things we can I think we can optimize here. One would be either optimizing, basically removing duplicates from being generated in the first place, which is close to impossible. I feel like. How would you even stop it? How would you even stop a thing? Okay, let's try this. And now we're gonna cut. So at the end of it, we're gonna cut up to I minus 1. To the end. So let's see if this still works. Cause oh shit, I gotta get rid of the other one. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, I think that's causing problems. So instead of doing that, let's do. I guess get the return value after maybe like. I'm not thinking right now. Wait. Okay, so if we just do this, candidates at I. Not what I'm expecting. Top index is unarranged. Well, it works, and it reduced the runtime by 0 seconds. So ideally, I would like to comment this out, because now we don't have to check for duplicates. What? What? Oh. Sub was? Oh. Now I can just, I think, extend it. Oh, that's why it wasn't working. I was extending it by, like, I was extending it by the list itself. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So if I do this, this should work. Res is also not in it. Oh my stars. I should have commented out this much. Okay, please. This should also be in here. Whoa. Now I'm getting duplicates. 10 to 651, 10 to 651. I'm getting duplicates. That's problematic. I didn't think we were gonna get duplicates anymore, but it looks like we are. So guess let's leave it as it is for now and see if we can run that one test case now, because the runtime is reduced. I don't know if I reduced it by enough, so this wasn't the move I was trying to make. No, it's for sure still gonna exceed the time limit. Yeah, it's just longer. It's just fucking longer. They just made a longer one. So what I wanted to do was, by removing each of the elements, hopefully I could basically get rid of the need to check for duplicates, which would like drastically reduce the runtime of the code. Because checking for duplicates is like the biggest problem. it's a big time skip, or it's a big like slowdown. So the goal here is to reduce the need for that. So by removing the elements from the code, or by removing the numbers from the list as we progress, then you're left with like, we do 10. Okay, so all the permutations with 10 included are done. You don't have to worry about the permutations with 10 anymore because 10 is gone. So 10 would be gone, so then we can continue on. But I think the problem arises when I'm not sure when the problem would arise actually. It should be if I make it. I think the problem comes when, okay, let's say I have a 1. I remove this 1, but the combination only has 1, 1. So I could, so for 24, I think it was 10. 10, 6, 5, 1, something like that. Like 6, 5, 1, 2. So because I had 2 1s, even if I remove this 1, there's still technically another combination that exists with this 10. But instead of using this one, I can use this one. So if I run it, you'll see that the 6 comes before the 1 in the second permutation, in the duplicate one. Oh, but this is not the duplicate one. There has to be a way to get rid of... There has to be a way to do this.
Guys, I have to leave it by 6:30. So if you want this food, you guys can do it on your own, or you'll see. So,
We'll stop here for now because I have to go. But I'll leave this code as it is, and I guess I'll just think about it, and then if I get a chance tonight, I'll start again. But yeah, goodbye.